Welcome to Tagbilaran City. Tagbilaran City is the provincial capital of the province of Bohol, the hub of commerce and the lone city of the island. It is the principal gateway to the island province of Bohol and is known as the City of Peace and Friendship. The city of Tagbilaran is the main business capital and center of governance of the province of Bohol, aside from being the center of education and transportation. Every road in every corner of it stands numerous business establishments. Welcome to the biggest mall in Tagbilaran City, Island City Mall. Here, you can buy the basic goods you need, refreshments, wants, gadgets, and others. Task us, one of the new call centers in the city. Small businesses are now merging, especially in the business of flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Government agencies like DSWD, Civil Service Commission, and Land Transportation Office are found here. The old capital is now functioning as a museum. You can have your relaxation here in our Plaza Rizal. You can also have tutorials and watch the pigeons. Tagbilaran Cathedral, official name as the St. Joseph the Worker Cathedral Shrine Parish, is a Roman Catholic cathedral church in Tagbilaran. The closure of the operation in Tagbilaran Airport for passengers is now functioning as a place for economic and wellness activities, which features the agri-market, food fair, and plant bazaar. and visit Tagbilaran City.